the Dan Diaper Career and Technical Center culinary kids, and we are here to show you how to make Cluckster's Power Bowl. So first, we're going to get the broccoli and the corn, and we're going to put it in a microwave-safe bowl. And we're going to take a little bit of vegetable spread and put it on top. Okay. After we do that, we're going to microwave that for about 1 minute. After that, we're going to set it aside and take a 1/3 cup of water and put it in there for about a minute or until it hits the boiling point. After that, we're going to take the mashed potato flakes and we're going to pour the hot water in there while being careful and having an adult help you because of how hot it is. And mixing it until you get the consistency you want. After that, we take the vegetables and we mix those in there till evenly combined. And we set that aside. Next thing, you take 2 pieces of paper towel, put one on a microwave safe plate, and take 2 chicken nuggets. Okay. After that, be careful because they will be hot. And put them on a cutting board. After that, take just a simple butter knife, cut them into 4 pieces each. After that, take your mixture, put it in your serving bowl. Sprinkle your chicken nugget pieces on top. Take your 1/8 cup of cheese, sprinkle that on top. Allow it to melt, and enjoy.